Hello, hello mga ka-vlog. Once again, it's Kevin Howard Kapo. Kunakmanan, Kasjay! By the way, I'm here right now at Cubao, Farmers Plaza, at the ground floor where they are having a bazaar. And then alam nyo ba mga ka-vlog, ang daming mga gandang crafts, handmade crafts here, and also the foods, same as well. Yeah, all kinds of things that you want to be a gift on your friend or loved ones or something. By the way, once again, this is Kevin Howard Kapo. Ang rules natin pag nanonood ng live, just hit the like and share button and comment down below for your shoutout. And also don't forget to follow my YouTube channel KJC at KJC1101 Kunakmanan Kasjay. So by the way guys, meron tayong nakita alam mo nakikita nyo dito sa akin ngayon? Nakita nyo to. Saan to galing? Galing to ng Baguio City. Wait lang. So mga ka-vlog, alam niyo na kung ano i-endorse natin ngayon. Let us welcome the teller of Baguio City, Kunakmanan Kasjay. As you can see. Okay, ayan. Nabatan kasi ako dito. Inatin ko yung pisan ko. So, let us welcome the brand of this items, the braids, the braids PH from Baguio City, Produkto ni Juan Market. By the way, the owner of this is Miss Sweet, an Ilocana from Baguio City. What part of Baguio City, ma'am? Quezon Hills. So let us welcome Miss Sweet, the owner. O, diba? Paka-perfect. B-earrings pa lang. Diyan pa lang, ha? O, opak, ate. O, diba? Sablay yan, girl. By the way, let's check their products. Okay? Diba? As you can see naman, the beads, the details, it's so gorgeous. They have also earrings with different kinds of earrings. This one, diba? Ang gaganda ng mga benta ni Madam Sweet. As you can see, ayan, Sanggapan, lakas makabagyo. Diba? Pinunta na yung Baguio, yung spirit ng Baguio here at Manila, at the what they call this, at the center of the Philippines, what they call this, sa syudad. So as you can see, they have also beads and also ang tawag na tela, no? Mga tela na handcrafted and handmade as well, mga ka-vlog. She is also doing crochet. Yeah, so you can see here. What's this, by the way, ma'am? Is it a pen holder?
Pen.
This is a pen holder. Ito naman, necklace daw siya, pero meron tayong kasama, mga ka-vlog, ang aking pamangkin, si Pogi. Tara na, Pogi. Gusto? Kasjay. O, diba? Yung necklace ko, ginawa ko para sa ulo niya. Kasi para siya, diba, ama-amaya. Isa pa nga, Kasjay. Isa pa. Ito. Kasjay. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Kasjay, ganun. Okay, by the way, once again, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Thank you for watching Erzad Dalaza, Joy Sapson, also Mark Mangawang, also Michael Di Guzman. Pa-shoutout daw kay Michael Di Guzman. Also, thank you for watching Dinah Liamado, Emmanuel Sardina, and also JJ Nabolos, also Daniel Panelo, Maria, and MD Alfiado. Thank you for watching. By the way, guys, dito po siya sa lower ground floor ng Cubao Farmers. They have the mini bazaar here. Hold on. So as you can see, meron silang, it's para kay Juan. Because it was a Independence Day, by the way pala, okay? Mga ka-vlog, Happy Independence Day at Happy Single Day. Kasjay! Live update tayo, we have 13 million viewers. Kunakmanan, baka mo naman may mag-send ng stars. Pa-send mo stars. Pa-send stars. Please po. Kasjay! Isa pa. Diba? Kasama namin yung mama niyang baboy. Diba? Yung isa ko maganda. By the way, Miss Sweet, what can you say on our, your products? Before ko siya iisa-isain ulit.
Maganda po. Hand-woven and handmade by me.
Diba? The name Sweet suits on her face. and also on her attitude, by the way. Yan. So once again, this is Kevin Howard Kapo. Kunakmanan, just hit the like and share button, comment down below for your shout out. Same as well, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel at KGC1101 Kunakmanan. Kasjay. So, ma'am, saan pa nag-raise yung mga natin? It starts with yung range po ng natin ng price for the products. It starts with 150 to
180. No, 500.
500. So, tingnan natin yung mga 150 natin, ma'am. Saan po?
150 ito po.
Oh, what's this, ma'am?
Bracelets po.
The bracelets. Oh, it was
Adjustable.
beads.
Yes, adjustable.
Adjustable siya, mga kablog. Wait lang, ma'am. Yan ako. Paano, ma'am? Na-adjust siya. Mga kablog, baka naman. Murang-mura na. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi, handmade siya. In-effortan talaga to ni ma'am. Ma'am Sweet. And then ito, ma'am. Ito mga crochet mo, ma'am. Magkano yan, ma'am?
100 ito.
100 to 120. Ooh. Not bad.
Hika, 180.
Oh, 180 na siya ngayon. Pero may sinasabi kayo na, ma'am, for today.
150 na lang po today.
Oh my God, mga kablog, mga kaibigan ko nga dyan sa Manila. 150 na lang siya for today's video. Nag-lesson siya for tomorrow. Kung bukas ka bibili, that's fine. You can go to here at Farmers and it costs 100. What they call 180. As you can see naman, mga kablog, we have different, we have different. Oh, ang gaganda, Lizzie. Legit, the designs. And also, yes, ma'am. Hello po. Sige lang, yes. Ayan, mga kablog. As you can see, ma'am, ang gaganda. Oh, handwoven siya talaga. As in, from the pakaw hanggang dito, ang ganda. Ano emergency? Alam mo na. Ayun, mga kablog, ang ganda. To tell you honestly, it suits you well if ever. Oh, ang gaganda ng mga designs and also fabric itself, it came from Baguio City. Alam niyo na ba, di ba, ang Baguio, magaganda ang tela, kasing ganda ni Madam Sweet, at kasing ganda ni Kasjaya. Di ba, tinan niyo, ang gaganda ni, as in, to tell you honestly, and yeah, kinemerut. Ayan, ang gaganda. Di ba, nakalagay ito, made from hand-woven Cordilleran textiles. Oh, alam yung textiles? Basta ako yun, alam ko text yun. Ayan. And meron rin siya crochet, ang cute. What's this? It's a ang favorite ng lahat. Pag nagbagyo ka, hindi mo to dapat maanes. Ang strawberry. Diba? Ang strawberry na nga, maasim pa. Pak. Diba? Sabi ko, mga kablog, tara na, sa Cubao Farmers Plaza. Kasjay! So by the way, guys, as you can see naman, ang gaganda ng mga designs, to tell you honestly. Magaling siya, magaling siyang kumamay. Kasjay! Ayan, guys. Ito mga necklace rin pala. Guri ka, nagligot ako. Baka may lakwa ito. Ikamlat lang. Sorry. Nabali bang luamot? Ayan. O diba, ang gaganda mga kablog. Sa totoo lang, it starts with 150 hanggang 500. Saan ba yung 500 natin, ma'am? Okay, alam niyo kung ano yung 500? The sablay itself. Diba? Pakita kay Ma'am Sweet. Apaka-virgin. Tingnan natin yung mga details. Ayan, yung details natin. Opsit. O, diba? Mga kablog, once again, this is Kevin Howard Kapo. And mag-shoutout tayo. Wala bang magbibigay ng stars dyan? By the way, live update we have 16,000 million viewers. Kunakman, Kasjay! So, thank you for shoutout to. Thank you for watching, Manuel Sarina, Jason Abalos, Daniel. Wait na, kinakamot ulo ko. Saan tayo? Thank you for watching. My friend Vince Montefalcon, uwi ako later. Kasama ko si Bebe. Also, Crisanta Pagar, Florin Pascua, Madonna, ang ating barangay secretary na kung saan kung hingi ka ng barangay clearance, pati kami ng barangay, nabibigyan, kunakmanan, Kasjay. Thank you for watching. Also, JC Montevirgin. Ingat. Wait lang. Ingat. Ingat. Jan Baxias, thank you, Crisanta. Also, Vince. Also, Rosan Marinas. Maria Solinaro, Dalin Rivera. Also, Rudy. Pasalubong kas. Ay. Pumunta ako ng Manila. Walang pera eh. Thank you for watching. JC Montevirgin. Almo Rapi, and also Arsus Basalio. Same as well. Rod Borja, Jill, hindi na ka na. Joseph Davila. Nakakapagod kayo ah. RB Depelo, Dalaza, Inyak, and also Calpo, Boak, Rogelio Beliara, thank you for wasalubong naman dyan, Boss Kebs, Kasjay. Okay, live update, we have 17,000 million viewers, and also, by the way, back naman, may magsandang stars. Thank you for watching, Vanessa Stanilo, Francis Manipon, also, thank you, Madonna, haha, Imbagman, and shout out na ko na. Thank you for watching, Rogelio Beliara. Ayun mga guys, mga ka-vlog, isang pasada pa ulit sa mga handcrafted and woven designs ni Madam Sweet from Baguio City na Ilocana. Diba sabi nila, pag Ilocana maganda na, kuripot pa. Kasya eh. So by the way, isang pasada pa ulit tayo, ma'am. So this is her products. Ayan. Bago Madonna gamit ka. No, walang uwi. Thank you for watching. Lynn na Peñas, miss you too. Ayan yung mga natin, products natin galing from Ate Sweet. Diba? Yan ang mga products natin. It ranges from 150 to 500. Itong mga earrings is 150 daw. Ayan. Diba? Ang gaganda bisa to lang. Totally honestly, pangit lang talaga itong camera ko, pero maganda to, bi. Ang ganda nga, legit. Kasing ganda ko. Ay, sarap na lang pala. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Sa totoo lang. Lalo itong mga beads. Agala ka ba kumanda ka beads mo? Yung nadara. Oran na ako sa utang. Ayan po yung mga products niya, mga ka-vlog. Ayan. Diba? Ang gaganda. Ayan. Ito naman sa pen holder natin. And also the necklace na pwedeng gawing pang corona. We have different varieties by as well. Ito yung 150. Alam nyo ito lang, B, maganda siya. Legit. Ang ganda ng beads. Ang galing. Kung sabahin ko kaya ito. Okay, once again mga ka-vlog, thank you for watching. Annalyn Gamboa Santos and also Virginia Romero Puruganan and also Mary Rose Rivera Milana. Wala man lang nag-send lang stars sa vlog natin ngayon mga ka-vlog. Pero that's fine kasi hindi naman natin kailangan ng stars. Ang kailangan natin is mapasakaya kayong lahat. And also to help our kababayan to sell their products as well, to promote our own products from the Philippines. So it could be known it from not on the Philippines but internationally, by the way. So once again, thank you for watching General Kalpo Viduya, diba Dok? Alam kin dito, okay, agawid akton. Okay, once again, this is Kevin Howard Kalpo. Ma'am Sweet isang kasjay dyan. Kasjay. Okay, by the way, guys, i-send ko dito sa, ilalagay ko sa description, may link ba? Okay, ano ka? Page ka? The page itself, I'll be posting the link of the page on my description, and then kung gusto mag-order, yeah, you can. Okay, online. So, once again, this is Kevin Howard Kalpo, kunakmanan, kasjay. So, bye for now. Alam mo, diba pindot? Uy, wait lang. Isa pa. Slow connection kasi. Kunakmanan, kasjay. Bye for now. Take 2.